Good morning, everybody. We just finished our mentor session. It went really, really well. We also did yoga this morning right before that. Then we come in, we got an hour to prepare everything. Yeah, it went really, really well. Showed him this new track that I've been working on. Some more chill vibes, kind of super happy, uplifting feel. And I got a bit of feedback about the arrangement of the track, but overall, he had pretty good things to say about my work. Yoga this morning, though, was pretty interesting. There's definitely quite a few new people, and I don't know if I was just judging myself or something because it just didn't feel like I was progressing or feeling stronger or whatever, but some of these new people were definitely struggling, and it really reminded me of what it was like for me back when I first started. You know, looking at them, remembering what it was like, and then the fact that I wasn't really struggling today is huge progress. It's pretty cool though. I would have never noticed my own progress if it wasn't for them. One of the bigger tips that my mentor gave me, I know I'm a little all over the place flipping back and forth here, but one of the tips was to create your track with a vocalist in mind. So a couple of the questions you can ask yourself is it obvious where a vocal would come in? Or is there too much space in the track and it's not so obvious? But generally, especially I guess my kind of music, creating a track with a vocalist in mind is just something to really be aware of. All in all, a great morning, a good mentor session, and now we're gonna get to work on one of these many remixes that we're doing. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, February 25th. We are all done this unit. We've been done since Tuesday, I think, or Wednesday. Yeah, we finished this unit in record time. I think that there's just no messing around for the back half of level 6 here. We're on track and we're absolutely killing it. If you didn't check out the beginning of the week vlog, go and check it out. I wrote and performed a rock song for my songwriting class. Obviously, this is more about the writing and putting everything together than it is about my ability to sing. But nonetheless, I am ecstatic about the feedback I got on that track, in particular about my harmonies. My instructor left me some video feedback that I shared with you on that vlog. So go check it out, come right back. While you're at it, I mean, I don't say this pretty much ever. Can you give the video a like? And if you're not subscribed, click subscribe. We are going down to LA. We are going to be at Icon Collective in person, and I would love to bring you for the ride. All I got on my little schedule is to work on remixes today. In particular, I need to work on a Mayor Levy Am I Dreaming remix and Juna Beats. Big opportunity here, and I got some kind of like tech house melodic techno. So is that techno? I don't know. The genres, the subgenres are out of control these days. I always hated it when people kind of generalized all of EDM as well. EDM, but also, oh, that techno music. But now I kind of wish it was just EDM because yeah, it's just crazy out there with genres and people's opinions and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna fire that open. We're gonna get to work. I'm definitely keeping in mind that we got another song to write. We got to write a full song, the very last song of level 6, and also my mentor wants a brand new idea again. He wanted to have 4 tracks for this EP. Right now there's 3 guaranteed. He's like, you're on a roll, just get another idea. I'm like, ugh. Okay, fine. No, it's good. He's pushing me and we're honestly working so hard. It's awesome. All right, let's get to it. Well, it's Friday afternoon and we went in on this remix, the Mayor Levy Am I Dreaming remix contest hosted by Metapop and Juna Beats. A huge opportunity here, and today my goal was to arrange the track, and that's exactly what we were able to do. Sometimes I struggle with this part, you know, moving from being in that loop to getting that full arrangement, that full foundation of an entire track built out. That being said, obviously, usually on Fridays, we have our vlog segment, but you know what? We worked really hard. It's almost 4 p.m. We've been here since 8 o'clock. Plus, you know how it's been going. It's the last semester of school. Things are crazy. So what I'm going to do, I don't think I'll show you the whole thing because it's 5 minutes and 46 seconds, and that would just take too long. So we might flip through, we might show you section by section, but I'm really excited about this one. Happy Saturday, everybody. It is February 26th. We're in the studio. We got Serum open. We are bailing on Dune for a little while, and that's because the Advanced Grad Bundle program that we're going to do in LA at Icon Collective is purely focused on Serum. Serum, as you probably know, is probably the most popular software synthesizer out there. A little bird told me that Serum 2 is coming sometime in the future. And that's pretty exciting because Steve Duda, the guy behind Serum, I don't think he would just put out an update for the sake of putting out an update, you know, snag $50 from everybody for some lame update like certain other companies. Always a lot to do. We just finished correcting a couple of glaring issues from our next track from our What If EP. Super excited about this one. Tons of music. Like, I don't know, if I could guess right now, I think I probably have, including all my bootlegs and remixes, I'd say around like 30 tracks, maybe more. So we just need to get these out into the world. All right, we're gonna get into it. We'll talk to you soon. Good afternoon and welcome back to Sound Design Saturday. Pretty relaxing Saturday, to be honest. Just kind of lackadaisically creating sounds in Serum. Kind of inspired by my release radar again. We didn't get too many sounds. I don't know. We're not going all in these days. Just whatever inspiration I hear, listening to music, taking it easy on Saturday. Let's check these sounds out. Meet me over by the computer. We got 5 sounds for you. As usual, we'll do this rapid fire style. Well, there we go. 5 pretty good sounds. I'm really loving that techno saw lead. I think I'm getting a good grasp on how to make my bass sounds more full. That's it for Unit 8 of Level 6. We absolutely killed it this week. I'm super proud of where we're at. Next week, we're heading into Unit 9 of Level 6. That means we only have 2 more units left, including final checkpoints. So we're on schedule, we're doing well, and I think we're gonna have no problems finishing up on time, including the extra course we have to do for Pro Tools before we head down to LA. All right, that'll be it for Sound Design Saturday today. We'll see you next week.